Welcome. Today we will be talking about the Bill of Rights. Amendment 1 is a fine document which protects your freedom of religion, speech, press, petition, and assembly.
Amendment 2 is great as well. Without the rights to own and use firearms, citizens would have few ways to protect themselves from criminals, loonies, and even the government itself.
Amendment 3. Few people would like being forced to have a stranger live in their home. This prevents the quartering of soldiers at any time, which leads to 4. A protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. Get a warrant.
Speaking of warrants, who here has heard of due process? Nobody? Great. Okay. Due process is when there is fair treatment through the normal judicial system. Amendment 5 enforces it.
Life, liberty, and property cannot be taken away without due process. This relates to a speedy and public trial with an impartial jury, Amendment 6.
For Amendment 7, if the value of controversy exceeds $20, the right to trial by jury is preserved. Nothing will be re-examined.
There can be no excessive bail or fines, along with the rule of cruel or unusual punishment, aka Amendment 8.
So you know how if you hold up 9 fingers, everyone else only sees 9 fingers? That 10th finger is implied. While you can't see it, it's still there. Hopefully, the 9th Amendment talks about any rights that are not directly stated or implied.
Finally, Amendment 10. Amendment 10 balances the powers of the federal government and state government. Federal only gets the powers specifically granted to it by the Constitution.
The Bill of Rights had a huge impact on the spirit of the Revolution. It caused anti-federalists to ratify the Constitution.
The Bill of Rights was ratified December 15, 1791, written by James Madison around 40 years of age at the Constitutional Convention. Warning, not all rights are specifically stated in the Bill of Rights. See Amendment 9.